Well guys, I think it's about time we go help out our buddy finish the coil install on the Camaro. So I got back from the office and I lay down in my bed because I was very tired. So I planned on going to the gym and coming back, grabbing some tools and going over to help him out. But me being me, I fell asleep and it is now 11 p.m. I'm fully rested and I don't know what to do, but apparently he still needs help, so I guess I'll go out and help him. So let's board up the truck after getting a couple more tools and I'll see you guys. Well guys, it's me again and welcome to another episode of I Own Way Too Many Cars, because when I want to drive any car I have to move like 1,000 of them, which is why I don't drive the RCF. People such as Emily ask me to go to their car meet and take my car. I don't go because it takes like a minimum of 10 minutes to get that thing out. It's just way too much work. I'm sorry. I'm so very sorry. Not happening. Well guys, about 1,000 years has passed and I finally got all of the cars out of the way. Still here, alive, driving over to the house. And I know I sound super tired, but I'm actually really well rested. It's just I'm still waking up from my, insane nap. So I'm gonna just Tokyo drift this turn right now. So I'll see you at the garage. Here in my garage, I have a Camaro. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop. Well guys, we have arrived at the garage and apparently the front struts are already installed. And I guess this is the issue right here, so it's time for me to destroy things and we'll go from there.
So this is Ray Engineering at its finest. I cut the shock protector thing, dust protector, and I'm gonna put the things, locking pliers there so we can spin the bolt.
Of course, we got the spring on finally, and we'll get this shit done. Alright guys, you may ask yourself, how did Ray do this so quickly? What?
Well, after cutting the dust boot, I got these Harbor Freight, you call these locking pliers, right? Or locking, whatever?
Vice grips.
Yeah, the vice grips, vice grips. Put it on the shock bolt, put that Harbor Freight impact thing to take off the wheels on the top, and it came right off. So problem solved. We'll move on.
Well guys, here they are. BC Racing rear struts.
My pending war with Meraki.
Yeah, your pending war with Meraki. Which, I mean, it's called off now, right? But yeah, I had these on the Mustang. I really love them. They're way better than KW V3s.
What?
Massive waste of money, by the way. These BCs, dude.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I had these on the Mustang. They were great. And then I put KWs on it and it bounced more than like Andy's mom. Well guys, the car is finished. It's roughly the same height in the back and about 3 inches higher up front. We need to fix this. But I think we're done for the night. Pretty much. Alright guys, so here's the Camaro, nice and lowered. I believe I didn't get this on video last time, so gotta make sure I get it for you guys. You're gonna notice a little bit of gap out in the back, and there's a reason for that. That is because we're gonna get wider tires. Unsure we're gonna go with a true drag radial or some Toyo R888Rs. But there's well, I guess the finishing touches, I guess you can say. Beautiful, beautiful car. We just washed and waxed it. And we'll look at the details on the rear diffuser and exhaust combo. You guys are gonna get this on every single video, by the way, because it's just so amazing and we're like really proud of it. This looks so good. But yeah, coils ride really nice. Car's aligned. And yeah, the car's basically ready to go. It's all ready for the HRE open house on June 2nd. This car will be there and my RCF will be there as well. And yeah, we'll be at the Flowform booth, or well, it's more of a Flowform lineup right in front of the headquarters for HRE. And yeah, nothing bad to say about the BC coils. You know, we got through those small speed bumps, and there it is. Very aggressive looking. What are the next mods? We don't really want to spend money right now, so probably gonna do black bow ties. We were gonna do the black LED taillights, like the OEM ones, but we kind of like the red now, so I'm not gonna do that. That's what's foreseeable in the near future. And yeah, I mean, from there it's just when we want to spend the money. Like, it's there, but we just don't want to spend it. So that'll be when we do want to spend money. It'll be the front and side Anderson composite splitters, obviously the tires, and then vinyl wrap whenever we're ready. And yeah, that's pretty much it until we go insane and like supercharge it and stuff, but we don't want to spend that kind of cash. Yeah, car's great. And once again, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead. If you're new to the channel, you know, there's a little bit of this car. It's mostly single cab stuff, along with some RCF Lexus stuff, and reviews sprinkled here and there. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.